So having done the outdoor flight test of the RC Era C170, it's about time I did it indoors, and it's bound to fly a lot smoother, because last time I flew it outdoors it was blowing up to about 25 miles an hour, and I was flying around in the high speed mode obviously, and it flew pretty well I have to say, but still was challenging. But for a micro helicopter it performed amazingly well. Now just a reminder, this comes with everything you need in the box to fly it, except the 4 AA's you need to put in the radio transmitter. So you can order it with 1, 2 or 3 batteries, I believe. I recommend buying it with at least 2, otherwise you'll be charging up all the time. But the flight time was really good actually. I did 2 flights on that day in the winds, and it flew for at least 10 minutes in total, which is really good for such a small helicopter. You do have to put on the horizontal stabilizer at the back and the missiles and rocket launchers on either side. That doesn't take too long. You need to take them off again to put it back in the box. But I'm interested to see how well this flies indoors on the low speed mode. So let's try that now. Okay, so to remind you, when you put in the battery, it turns on straight away. So have your radio transmitter turned on first. Plug in the battery. The battery cover slots on from the back. Pinch those together and push down. Make sure they are clicked in place and you're ready to go. Space out the blades. Then on the transmitter, up, down, and it is bound, and we are ready to take off. Okay, this time auto takeoff. And auto landing. So there you go, that's RC Era's C170 1/48 scale AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. I think that flew brilliantly indoors. It's a stabilized helicopter. So it does fly flat, you know, it doesn't bank over that much. But if you're not a trained RC helicopter pilot, then this would fly brilliantly for you. And if you've got no experience of flying RC helicopters, again, you would find it pretty easy, because you also have auto takeoff and auto landing. Great scale detail on this. It's a bit of a pain that you do have to put the horizontal stabilizer in and the rocket launcher and missiles on either side, but that only takes a few seconds. A minor downside of this AH-64 Apache, but I was really impressed how it flew indoors on that low speed mode. Really smooth. The rates are absolutely spot on the sticks on the low speed mode. If you're in a bigger space, you'd probably go up to the medium or the high speed modes, but in this space, absolutely perfect on low speed mode. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. As always, thanks for watching Essential RC, and hope we'll see you again next time. Bye.